Hey folks, guess what I got today? I got this package today at actually CVS at Chico, California. I can't go to Target no more because only only one pack per day. So it kind of sucks, but I can't go to Target no more. So it's not worth it. It's on the other side of the town, so it makes me go somewhere else for the competition. So let's see what kind of cards I got. Houston Slater, my Giants. I'm trying to find a good card. 2021 rookie card. I'll try to pick the cards that we're talking about because sometimes, we'll get turn back clock, with that's kind of cool. I've been kind of lucky lately with some cards. The Age of Professionals also has a award rookie of the year award card. Oh, book next card. That's cool. Some Jet guy got his autograph card. Oh, Clayster, who's Hall of Famer. It's really good to have his card. Too bad with the what's the Dodgers, which would I same pitch go times. It's trying to find good. I'm not sure I already did this one. It's rookies. Trying to find rookies or okay, that's into the first pack. Second pack. You see here. Same, but I don't know that much about. I should get really more about. Got an Jackson card. That's kind of. But I forgot to tell you what they look like. I guess they're 1950s style or something. Even though Mac Captain Action card. Our Pujols got released by the Angels. I think his career is pretty much over. Action card. Eden. And a bunch of rookies, catchers. 91 rookie stars and for the Mets. Rookie and a pitcher. Let's show their stats behind there. I'm so glad I got rid of the gums. I'm very happy. So let me know in the comment section. Write something. What kind of cards you collect. I'm trying to go back a little. One of these days, get a box of the upper deck. Talk about cards I really kind of know about. Heck, it's hard to open. Spiders. Trying to find. Was your team are going to baseball this year? Only like 20%. I think it takes only a place to do 100%. Here's 91 rookies. 2001 rookies. Well, that's kind of cool. Key card. Other key card, You play Little League. I don't know what this is kind of funny. Flashback 1970 Arte release Pong card. Okay. An action card. And I got a bunch of 21 ER leaders. They go 60 games, so action card. Free Hall of Famer, what he's playing right now. And then the last release of 21 rookies, National League. Bunch of Atlanta and Washington. I hope that's a new logo for the. Damn, it looks like a Walgreens thing anymore. Style. And the last one today. It's open like 4 packs for you folks. You guys go to Walgreens now. Anyone cards want to fight me? Got a couple of rookie cards. What good cards good to have? We're a lot of rookies this year. A lot of players didn't want to play. Billy Mays Award Series MVP. And it shows the people won behind there. good, interesting. You watch a video of him, he's fun to watch. I have a card again, Bull Dragon. I got kind of like trying to get some of the same card I got in another pack. I think it's the worst card ever, man. Go outside, go business somewhere. I don't see. I guess rookie card here. Next photo. And 21 national betting leaders. Right there, and it shows their stats. I got some decent cards. Can't really complain. So please like and subscribe, and we'll do interesting stuff in the future. Thank you.